Hi, I'm Kerry Hartwig with Sukup Manufacturing Company. Welcome back to our dryer service video series. Today we're going to talk about re-imaging a QuadraTouch Pro touch panel. Okay, so the first step in re-imaging a QuadraTouch Pro panel is to get an L7996 kit. Now that just consists of a USB 3.0 stick, and maybe you can see there's a blue tongue inside for USB 3.0. We also put the little blue wristband on there just to signify that it is an imaging stick, and then it comes with specific instructions on how to do it. You will also need a USB keyboard, any keyboard as long as it's got a USB adapter to it. So we do have a panel on the bottom of the touch panel, and I would probably plug the keyboard into that. Since I have mine setting up, I'm going to have to turn it open. And I have USB ports here. So I'll plug my keyboard into one. I may have to unplug this adapter to make enough room, and that's fine. And I'll plug my USB re-imaging stick into the other port. Now the next thing we have to identify, and the instructions will help show this, is this a BL1 or a BL2 panel? The BL1 panels, the entire back panel of this is all black. The BL2s are silver and have a little bit smaller bump out here in the middle. So you have to determine if you have a BL1 or BL2. This one happens to be a BL2 panel. Now the first step is to have the QuadraTouch Pro panel shut off. We are going to turn it on, and I'm going to be pressing the F12 button about once a second while it boots up. Okay, now I've got a blue screen on here, and now I can use my keyboard to move down and select which one that I want. Now we already determined that we have a BL2 touch panel here with the silver back panel. So we are going to scroll down until we find UEFI SMI disk 1100 partition 1, and I'm going to push enter. Now it says, are you sure you want to format this image? I'm going to arrow over and make sure that I'm on yes and push enter. And it says, please confirm that you want to do this. So what we're doing here is we're essentially rewriting or reinstalling Windows onto the touch panel, as well as Movicon, the program that runs the Sukup, the dryer software, and all the supporting programs. So I'll arrow over and select yes, I'm sure I want to do that. Now it's going to take some time to completely re-image, rewrite all this software onto the touch panel. Once the re-imaging process has completed, you'll see this message saying image complete, remove USB flash drive now, click OK to restart. So I'll go ahead and click OK. We do need to remember to take out the USB imaging stick. We can unplug the keyboard at that point. As it reboots, it will then require us to install software on our QuadraTouch Pro. We can refer to another dryer service educational video to install that software. Once the touch panel has been rebooted, we come up with the QuadraTouch Pro software installer. And notice we just have one large button here. So at this point we need to install the current software for QuadraTouch Pro. We'll insert our USB stick. When we press the button, it is just like pressing step 1 of the normal installation procedure for software. Remember, you can watch this video and more on our website at www.sukup.com or our YouTube channel, Sukup MFG.